Okay.
In this video, we will go to the community.
Speak up.
In this video, we will go to the community world.
Construction site, and we're gonna cook
construction
every
site.
single Timmy there with these, because they are overpowered.
Okay.
No, that one's garbage. It takes up too much cotton.
Tell me if you see the drone.
Tell me if you see the drone.
Bro!
Bro!
Okay.
Okay, so now we're gonna cook. You show them how good the bombs
Did I
are.
bomb run?
Yeah, do it. Do the bomb run.
Oh, I didn't
You
do
can't be at the
Oh, I
tech
didn't
lab.
do it.
I can't. Oh, but I gotta go and create.
Oh, but I gotta go in creative mode. Because I
So-
cannot handle losing cotton.
You have to eat them both at the same time.
I usually just eat one, but
It did not end up.
it does not end up working.
Wait. Imagine if I got the umbrella and combined it with this.
One time someone dropped an umbrella and I was causing wreak havoc with it.
Okay, ready to go to construction? Wait, put it back in place so we could get cotton.
I'm at the height.
I'm at the height limit right now.
Well, but I only do one more.
Well, but I want to do one more thing.
Oh, wrong one.
Oh, wrong one.
Holy, this is way better.
Holy, this is way better. Sing with me, sing with me.
Okay, I found out how to.
Okay, I found out how to do it, and I just realized I'm dumb.
That you weren't doing it correct.
I was only doing it.
I was only doing it with one.
I didn't know how to get.
I didn't know how to get two, but then I realized you have to inventory. Sing with me, sing over here, sing with me.
How many backflips am I gonna do?
3. One, two,
One,
I did three.
3.
Two.
I did 3.
3.
I did three.
I did 3.
Yeah. Okay, I'm going to construction site.
Sing with me, sing with me.
I'm going to construction site.
Oh,
Wait, I'm gonna grab 2 fireworks so I can get cotton.
Okay. Did you stop recording? Sorry, you just stopped.
Sorry, you just stopped.
You want a piece of candy?
No. The cameras kind of disappear when you go to different places.
The code is macaroni. The code is macaroni. The code is macaroni.
Yo guys,
Bro, the code is macaroni. The
attention
code is
everybody.
macaroni. Everybody.
I got it.
Where's the camera?
I have it right here.
Go get
I have it right here.
What the heck?
I don't even know what I've done.
No, use
That's
the
mine.
Okay, well,
drone
you're
for
gonna get
construction site. It's the best.
Or should I just have the shoulder cam?
No, just do the drone.
Okay. I'm using
Perfect.
drone.
I'm using drone.
It's only me and you.
Holy frick.
Holy frick.
Holy, I gotta
Oh, they're banned,
Yeah,
Nate. They're
My
banned.
stomach's kind of empty.
No, Nate. No.
I won't go yet.
I won't go yet. We'll play for a bit longer.
No, the apple.
So
No,
the
the
first
infiltrator.
chaser is in 10 seconds.
Huh?
Either me or it's either you. You have to start. Nate, you start. You have to start on top of it. Ah.
Go frick.
Where'd he go? Not tell where he went.
Darn it.
Darn it. You know I'm faster than. Oh, frick, I got juked there.
You can't do me here.
You can't juke me here. Crap.
No!
Refund. No!
It's so lucky.
You're so lucky.
This was pinned.
If this was pins, you'd be dead. If this was G-Tag, I'd be dead right now. No! I just messed up.
No, I know what you're doing.
No, I know what you're doing. I missed.
You can't quit me.
You can't clip me. Oh, dang it, I kind of should have made that. That was an intense round.
I'll start on top of
I'll start on top of the crane.
That was a hard round.
That was a hard round, people.
You should be proud of me.
You should be proud of me.
This is this one.
Is this one?
Nope, not that one.
Oh, not that one.
Oh no, you're having a
Oh no, you're having a seizure.
I'm not gonna be using anything.
I can't hear you very
I
well.
can't hear you very well. Okay.
Oh, I can hear you better.
Oh, I can hear you better. Oh, hi. Oh. Ah! Good. Dang it. Bro, how did I run in? No!
It's so bad.
I'm so bad. Keep up, I'm too fast. I'm too fast.
I'm too fast.
I hit the zip line.
I hit the zip line.
Get him, Nate. Oh, you guys are so
I
lucky.
slapped his forehead.
I slapped his forehead.
You guys are so lucky.
Yeah, I am looking.
Yeah, I am lucky, you monkey. Whoa. Nate, you heard nothing, okay?
Yo, come inside the yellow crane. Come inside the yellow
No,
crane.
you're next dead.
How do you know? Because I've been it. Owen Simon's been it. You never know. You're the next crane. Alright, look, watch. No, don't follow me. Don't follow me. I'm not.
Oh no.
Stay far. No.
You're over here.
Social distancing. Social distancing.
So why are you playing VR?
Social distancing.
I freaking hate this.
I freaking hate this. Why? Oh, never mind.
Nah, get away from me. Get away from me. Get away from me.
I only said that because
Nah, get away from me.
because he's been it
Get away from me.
and I've
Get
been
away
it.
from me. Get away from me. Alright. Bye bye. Hi, how you doing? He's coming from that side. No, he's going down. He missed.
That was close.
That was close.
I was so close. So lucky. I was so lucky. I got money. I got money.
Keep it up. I'm too fast. I'm too fast.
Never mind.
You're I not too didn't have a fast, good buddy. start. Yes, I am.
Keep up, I'm too fast.
He's too fast.
Keep up, I'm too fast. I'm too fast.
Nate, I'm better at this. I'm better at the instructions.
Actually, watch it. I'll go down.
Behind you!
Behind you! Oh. Thought you threw that one at me. Yeah, this kid's good.
Oh, I got stuck. Oh, my God.
Yeah. Oh. Okay, I'm gonna get off.
No!
No!
We gotta do that.
We gotta do
I'm
that.
sweating.
We gotta do the outro.
We gotta do the
Sweating
outro
balls.
though. Oh yeah. Let me do the perfect outro.
Are we gonna do it in
Are we gonna do it in here?
Okay.
It's time to buy.
Okay.
Put it in another camera. Oh.
Okay. You wanna join the
Okay,
outro?
you wanna join the outro? This is country.
Okay, so
Good
Okay,
one.
so-
No.
that's the end of the video.
That's the end of the
Because
video
he's sweaty.
because he's sweaty.
We might make another one.
We might
later.
make another one later,
But goodbye.
but goodbye. I'm sweating my balls off.
I'm gonna put that in the video.
I'm gonna put that in the video.